Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to manage billing in Google AI Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Google AI Studio with the Google account you want to use. Once you're logged in, open the dashboard from the left side menu and navigate to the Billing section. If billing has not been configured yet, click Set up Billing to begin the process. First, choose your project. Then, choose your country, review the information provided, and continue. This ensures your billing account is configured according to your region and currency. Next, review your contact information. If necessary, update your name, address, and other billing details to ensure your account information is accurate. After that, move to the Payment Method section and add your preferred payment option. You can typically use a credit card, debit card, or supported bank account. Enter the required details and save the payment method to your account. Once your payment method is added, complete the setup process. If promotional credits or a free trial are available for your account, they may be activated during this step. For more advanced billing management, open the Google Cloud Console and click on these three lines. Then, go to the Billing section. Select your billing account to view payment history, transactions, and billing settings. This area also allows you to manage payment methods and review spending across your Google services. If you work with multiple projects, you can review which projects are linked to your billing account and make changes as needed. This helps you control how charges are assigned and managed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can manage billing in Google AI Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.